If you've ever noticed that Amazon Prime Video looks different depending on where you are, you're not imagining things. The movies and TV shows available on Prime Video change by country, which means some titles are available in one region but completely missing in another. So in this video, I'll explain how changing your Prime Video country works and how people usually access different regional libraries. Here's what's going on. Amazon Prime Video uses your location to decide which content you can watch. That location is determined mainly by your IP address, not your account settings. So even if you travel or move to another country, Prime Video will still show content based on where it thinks you're connecting from. This is where VPNs come into the picture. A VPN allows you to route your internet connection through servers in other countries. When you connect to a VPN server in a different region, streaming platforms like Amazon Prime Video see that server's location instead of your real one. Two VPNs that work particularly well for Prime Video are NordVPN and Surfshark. NordVPN is a strong choice if you want fast speeds and consistent streaming quality. It has a large server network and performs very well with Prime Video, meaning fewer buffering issues and stable playback. Surfshark is a great alternative, especially if you want something more affordable. It also works well with Prime Video, offers good speeds, and allows unlimited device connections so you can use it on your phone, laptop, smart TV, and more at the same time. Once you're connected through a VPN server in another country, Amazon Prime Video updates the available library automatically. Beyond streaming, using a VPN also helps protect your privacy, especially if you watch content on public Wi-Fi or shared networks. If you want to try this yourself, I've placed discount links for Surfshark and NordVPN in the description and in the pinned comment. If this video helped you understand how changing Amazon Prime Video regions works, leave a like, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more streaming and VPN guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.